Good day. The Group 2.0 presents the governance model for Project 1.1, which is about implementing digital identity with universal biometrics in South Africa. The Department of Home Affairs is the lead department for this project. Every day, people depend on government services to access grants, apply for IDs, and register children for schools. These are vital services, and they should be simple, reliable, and accessible. Yet, too often than not, they remain time consuming, ineffective, and frustrating. Key aspects we will cover to solve this are: goal of the project, governance standards, decision making foundation, governance structure, and milestones.
That's why modernizing this sector is vital. A key step in this journey is the rollout of the Smart ID card. By the end of 2023, over 21 million South Africans had already received one. This new ID is more than just a card. It's a secure digital key, equipped with biometrics and advanced features that allow citizens to verify their identity quickly, safely, and from anywhere. The Smart ID lays the foundation for functional digital identity. With capabilities like biometric storage and near-field communication, it provides many opportunities for innovation, and it enables citizens to securely confirm who they are, whether in person, through a device, or even by scanning a QR code. The ultimate goal is transformation, universal access to a secure digital identity that works seamlessly across all government departments and entities. This will make it possible for South Africans to access healthcare, banking, education, and social services without unnecessary paperwork, duplication, or delays.
ISO 38500 is the international standard for the corporate governance of information technology, and it provides guidance to those informing or assisting directors on the most effective and acceptable use of information technology within the organization. It defines 6 principles. It establishes responsibilities, plan to best support the organization, make acquisitions for valid reasons, ensure necessary levels of performance, ensure conformance with rules, ensure respect for human factors. These principles have been implemented in our governance model. The governance structure has established roles and responsibilities and ensures respect for human factors by collaborating with the public sector and civil society. Our decision-making foundation is based on the 3 principles of alignment, reducing waste, and compliance. Performance will be measured by the achievement of milestones.
Our governance model is built on a clear decision-making foundation to ensure every choice we make is aligned, justified, and in compliance with the laws of the country. The first pillar is strategic alignment. This means every decision must be evaluated against a simple question. Does this advance the government's core goal of streamlining and modernizing systems for the citizen? The second pillar is value-driven acquisition. We are committed to the principle that we must make acquisitions for valid reasons. We acknowledge the historical challenges of wastage and duplication across government departments. Therefore, our decision-making process mandates that every purchase must be rigorously justified by a clear business case and must be fully transparent. We will actively leverage our interdepartmental working group to identify opportunities for shared services and bulk procurement, eliminating siloed spending and ensuring every rand of public money delivers maximum value and avoids unnecessary duplication. The third pillar is compliance and security. This means our decisions are bounded by the highest standards of data security, guided by ISO 27001, the International Standard for Information Security Management. This provides the framework for protecting citizen data against threats. Legally, we operate under the strict requirements of POPIA, the Protection of Personal Information Act.
Having outlined our ambitious vision and milestones, we now present the governance structure designed specifically to achieve it. This model is tailored to ensure strategic alignment across government, operational excellence, and meaningful engagement with the nation we serve. Our structure is organized into 3 distinct yet interconnected layers: strategic, managerial, and operational. The strategic layer. This layer is responsible for high-level direction, political will, and accountability. The presidency provides the highest level mandate and chooses the Minister of Home Affairs, who is ultimately accountable to the nation for the success of this transformative program. This ensures our project has the executive authority necessary to drive change across government. The Inter-Ministerial Committee, chaired by the Minister of Home Affairs, it includes ministers from key departments such as Communications and Digital Technologies, Finance, State Security, and Social Development. Its purpose is to ensure cross-governmental support, signature, and accountability. The IMC breaks down silos, aligns priorities, and resolves high-level policy impediments, ensuring this is not just a Home Affairs project, but a whole-of-government initiative. Next is the managerial layer. This layer translates strategic directives into coordinated action. Interdepartmental Working Group. This is where strategy meets execution, comprising senior officials from the departments represented in the IMC. The IDWG's primary function is to ensure alignment across all government departments and help overcome the fragmentation in current digital initiatives. They develop integrated implementation plans, manage dependencies, and solve cross-departmental challenges before they escalate to the IMC. They are the crucial glue that binds the government ecosystem together.
Finally, the foundation of our structure, the operational layer. This is where the work is delivered on the ground. The Digital Service Unit is our internal center of excellence. The DSU provides the technical expertise and support to departments and entities. It ensures that solutions are user-centric, secure, interoperable, and built to modern standards. The DSU is also the key point of accountability for the technical integrity of the entire digital ID ecosystem. The Government Information Technology Office Council, which comprises of the CIOs and CTOs of all government departments, is responsible for the hands-on implementation of the transformation project. They ensure that their respective departments' systems are ready to integrate with the digital ID management, the technical development, change management, and training within their domains. Private sector and civil society will recognize that transformation cannot happen in a government vacuum. Engaging with these groups fosters innovation through partnerships and ensures that our digital transformation meets the diverse needs of the South African population. They provide essential feedback, ensure inclusivity, and help us build a solution that is truly for all citizens. This integrated framework ensures clear accountability, seamless communication, and the robust oversight needed to deliver critical national project on time to the highest standard.
A pivotal element of any successful transformation is a clear roadmap. For our digital identity project, that isn't just a list of deadlines. It's a strategically phased journey designed to deliver value incrementally while managing risk and complexity. Our governance model is specifically tailored to support this phased approach. The first phase is from 2025 till 2027. This is our foundation and launch phase. The main milestones here are: by Q4 of 2025, we will begin the initial drive for the Smart ID, starting with citizens who already hold an ID book and passport. And simultaneously, we will launch the functional digital ID to allow remote access to governmental services. In Q2 of 2026, we will expand the Smart ID drive to include permanent residents and citizens receiving grants, ensuring inclusivity from the start. The second phase, from 2028 to 2030, is our scaling and maturation phase. The key objectives within this phase are: by Q4 of 2028, we aim for 90% uptake of the Smart ID among all citizens, which is a significant metric for project success. And finally, by Q4 of 2030, we will establish an independent, secure, and dedicated identity management entity, which will include the housing of biometrics as well. This phased approach allows our governance model to be agile, providing rigorous oversight for immediate launches while strategically planning for long-term sustainable growth.